Dear participants, today we are going to discuss about place of supply of goods only. The provision relating to these are contained in section 10 and 11 of the IGST Act. Why the place of supply of goods is important? Basically, these are the provisions which determine whether the sale will be interstate sale or will be the intrastate sale. Now I will come to the example. There are two terms. One is the location of the supplier and second is the place of supply. If the location of the supplier and place of supply is in the same state, it is called intra-state sale, and CGST and SGST or UGST as the case may be applicable. But if the location of the supplier of the goods and place of the supply of the goods which are determined as per these sections and which is also a topic of today's discussions, then it is interstate sale. What is interstate sale? Means location of supplier and place of supply are in two different state or union territory. What is interstate sale? Where the location of the supplier and place of supply is within the same state. Here we have given the example, if the location of the supplier is Delhi and place of supply as determined by these rules is also Delhi, then it is an interstate sale. And if location of supplier is Delhi and place of supply determined by these sections is UP, then it is interstate sale. Now there are two terms. One is the location of the supplier and second is the place of supply. So these two terms we will discuss in the following chapters, in the following slides. First, we will discuss what is the location of the supplier of the goods. This term has not been defined in the IGST Act. Then, what is the location of the supplier of goods? Location refers to the site or premises where the supplier is situated with the goods in his control ready to be supplied. If the supplier is in Maharashtra and goods in his possession is in also Maharashtra, then location of the supplier will be Maharashtra. So here the control of the goods in his possession for delivery is very important. Now I will come to the place of supply of goods. Within India, there are two separate provisions. Section 10 refer to the within India and section 11 refer to import into or export out of India. So first we are discussing within India, section 10. So section 10 has 5 clauses A to E. So we are discussing about these 5 clauses. First clause is where supply involves movement. Second is the clause which says when goods are delivered by the supplier to the recipient at the instruction of a third party. Then what will be the place of supply, that we will discuss. And third is the where the supply does not involve movement of the goods. Fourth is the goods are assembled or installed at site. And fifth is where goods are supplied on board a conveyance. So these 5 things we will determine what is the place of supply in these 5 things for supplies within India. Now we will come to first where it is says where supply involves movement. If the supply movement means the goods is moving from one place to another. In that case, the place of supply will be the place where the goods are located at the time at which the movement terminate for delivery to the recipient. Here we have to carefully read the word movement terminate for delivery to the recipient. Means when the movement terminate, at that time location of the goods determine the place of supply. Suppose we will give you an example. Supplier is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is supplying goods to a person in Delhi. Then what will come? He will send the goods by truck to Delhi persons. Then movement of goods will start from Bombay, from his warehouse where the goods are located, and the goods will move along with the truck to Delhi locations, and it will come to the godown of X persons in Delhi, which is the buyer of the goods. Then unloading of the goods will be done. Then in that case, the movement of goods it terminated at the godown of X persons in Delhi. So we have to see when goods movement is terminating, what is the location? Location is Delhi. Then place of supply will be Delhi. Here, location of the supplier is Mumbai. Place of supply is in Delhi. Then this will be IGST sale. Location of goods is a question of fact. It has to be determined based on the circumstances of the case. Here the word is who will do the movement. Movement can be done by any persons. It can be done either by the supplier or by the recipient after disclosing destination of the movement. So these are the things when the movement and at that time, what is the location of the goods, and that locations will be taken as the place of supply of goods, and based on that locations, which is the place of supply and location of the buyer of the supplier, we will decide CGS. It will be treated as a intrastate sale or interstate sale. But in our example, we have considered it was a interstate sale because the location of the supplier was in Mumbai and place of supply is in Delhi. Now we will take another case where the supplier is in UP, Ghaziabad, and he sells the goods to another party in Noida. Here, location supplier is in UP and place of supply is also in UP. Then it will be treated as intrastate supply. And the second point, that is the clause B, we will discuss now. That is when the supply is made on the instruction of the third party. It is basically bill to ship to transactions. Here suppose third party X is in Delhi. He instructs the supplier in Mumbai to deliver the goods in Haryana. So what is this transactions? In this transaction, there are two supply. First, we understand this transaction. X in Delhi is asking his supplier at Mumbai to deliver the goods to his customer in Haryana. So goods are actually moving from Mumbai to Haryana, but the law does not say so. Law say that there will be two movement. Two supplies. One is by supplier to the third party. Means Mumbai party will supply to Delhi party. And second is the Delhi party to the ultimate recipient, which is in Haryana. So in this case, there will be two sales. One interstate sale will be from Mumbai to Delhi persons, and second sale will be from Delhi persons to Haryana. And these two are basically different state is there, so it will be interstate supply. Now we come to the another questions, which is very interesting. Suppose X is a person in Delhi. He buy the goods from Maharashtra supplier and ask the goods to be sent to Delhi to Y party. What will happen in this case? Mumbai supplier will make the bill of IGST to Delhi X party, which is the instructor, and then X party will make another bill to Y persons, which is also in Delhi, as a interstate sale. There may be a lot of combinations in this case. We have to take care if there are two supplies involved in such transactions. One is between the supplier of goods and third parties, and second is the third party to the ultimate recipient. Next clause is C, which says where the supply does not involve movement of the goods. Here we are not saying that the goods are not capable of moving. It can move, but the transaction is that here goods are not moving. We give the example. X is a tenant in a mall in Delhi, in an office in Delhi, we can say. And he has installed a generator for supply in the office. And now he is seeing a bigger opportunities and bigger office space. For that, he is moving out of current place to the new place where he will now set up his office. And why is the landlord of old place? So X has two options. Either he will take out his generator along with him and install at the new office, but the new office size is bigger, so he will need generator of the higher capacity. So in that case, he may ask his landlord in the old place to buy this generator if he desires so. Suppose the landlord agrees. Then what happens? The generator is not moving. Generator is as it is on his place. So this is the example of supply where goods are not moving. In that case, place of supply will be the location of the goods. The location of goods is in Delhi, and it will be interstate sale. Next is the where the goods are assembled or installed at site. So here what happens, X is the manufacturer of a machines and Y is the purchaser of that machine and located in Maharashtra. So X, there is a contract that X will supply the machinery from Delhi to Maharashtra as well as install the goods, install the machinery at Maharashtra. So in that case, machinery is sent by the invoicing from Delhi to Maharashtra by charging IGST as interstate sale, etc. So in that case, what is happening where goods are machine are sent along with installations, then the place of supply will be where the installation is done. So installation is done at Maharashtra. Then in this case, interstate supply will be there from Delhi to Maharashtra. Suppose in that case, the actual purchaser will be in Gujarat, but the installation is done at Maharashtra. So it place of supply will be Maharashtra, not Gujarat. Next question is, when goods are supplied on board a conveyance. Here there are two types of supply. One is the supply by the supplier to the operator of the conveyance. Suppose X party sell goods to Y, which is operating a train or airplane. Then first supply will be the normal supply, and basis the normal principle, tax will be charged. And second leg of supply is by the operator of the conveyance. Suppose the operator of conveyance is running train from Delhi station to Mumbai. Then what happens? So he buy the goods and he load the goods in Delhi station and supply to the consumer. One by at Delhi station itself, one by in Maharashtra when the train is about to reach, etc. In that case, what will be the location of the goods? So here it is taken, told that the location of the goods will be the location at which the goods are taken on board. Goods are taken on board on Delhi, then Delhi will be taken as a place of supply and not Maharashtra or not Madhya Pradesh, through which the train passes. And now we will come to section 11 when it deals with the goods imported or exported from India. The place of supply of goods in case of goods imported into India shall be location of the importer. Suppose importer is in Delhi and he imports the goods, then place of supply of goods will be Delhi, not Mumbai, where the goods are actually imported. Similarly, when the importer is in Gujarat, then it will be Gujarat. Place of supply of goods exported from India shall be the location outside India. Now we have to come to some fact about this. What is the merchant trade? Merchant trade, what happens? Suppose there is a party in Delhi which buy goods from Malaysia and send directly to US. So it is a merchant trade. The goods are not coming to India. Goods are sent from Malaysia directly to the US. In that case, it is not coming within the taxable territory within which the GST operate, and therefore outside the purview. Similarly, the high sea sale, where the sale occurs outside the jurisdiction of the GST territory, taxable territory. Here, we should also note that location of supplier and recipient is not relevant for the purpose of Section 11 or import or export. Now we come to how this is ensured कि high sea sales, etc. So there are clause 7 and 8 of Schedule 3. Clause 7 read supply of goods from a place in the non-taxable territory to another place in the non-taxable territory without such goods entering into India, which is covered by the merchant trade. So that's why they have brought out this clause in Schedule 3. And similarly, to cover this high sea sale, they have added clause 8. Thank you very much for participating in today's session. Thanks.